Struggling to find the Meta widget in Elementor? You're not alone. It's tucked away in the WordPress section. Follow these 11 clicks to add Meta in under 2 minutes. We'll start in the page editor, locate the highlight widget, and walk through the exact clicks to add Meta, then customize its layout. Let's go edit the home page with Elementor. Once you're there, click on Highlight. Now, click on WordPress. Then, click on WordPress again. Next, click on Meta. After that, click on Title. Now, click on Update Changes to Page. Let's move over to Advanced. From Advanced, click on Layout. Then click on Layout one more time. Finally, click Update Changes to Page again. Done. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.